Hi, my name is Chai Shepherd. I'm the CTO of Phaeton and the designer of Phaeton blockchain. I started this journey 3 years ago with my co-founder Damien Robson. I've been a software developer for the last 20 years and obviously started in the cybersecurity space. I was really intrigued with blockchain technology and a lot of my focus was around understanding what blockchain was all about, hence obviously the reason why I designed and developed the Phaeton blockchain. Phaeton is a native blockchain that is built and designed in Australia. We're using particular algorithms, Blake 3, which is one of the fastest hashing algorithms in the world. Phaeton has a consensus mechanism of delegated proof of stake and DBFT, delegated Byzantine fault tolerance. The major difference between us is the speed and the security of our network, which is primarily my core focus when designing this particular software. What makes Phaeton different compared to other blockchain companies is that we're building the infrastructure to not only support our own internal blockchain, but other blockchain technology companies around the world. Phaeton is focused on building modular data centers, which is completely 100% green. We're working with key suppliers around Australia and internationally to support our particular product and in chats with large telecommunication companies around the world. Phaeton Identity is, I guess, a product of ours that's going to enhance the security layers of the Phaeton blockchain and the internal wallet. So the model around Phaeton Identity is to create that additional layer to validate your own personal wallets. Some of our core products is obviously Phaeton ID, the carbon credit exchange that we're building at the moment. Our Artemis node is a unique product where each homeowner will be able to host their own node and store their own data in a more secure environment. The Artemis node is obviously a node that is stored in your own home. The reason why we built the Artemis node, it actually works in conjunction with Phaeton ID, our Phaeton real estate arm, which we asset ID your house utilising NFTs. The Artemis node is also working with artificial intelligence and obviously cloud secured data storage. Blockchain is a tool to record data information. Today, the internet is controlled by major tech giants. What Phaeton is trying to do is decentralise the internet and change the way data information is stored today. By securing your data in a more decentralised way, it takes the power from huge companies like Google, Amazon, Alibaba that have this massive solar data farms. Our modular data centre is quite unique. We've designed a modular data centre that is solar wrapped. We're using geothermal technology, wind and solar, and also a backup we've done it with hydrogen gas. So the way we've designed our modular data centre is this data set can be deployed anywhere around the world without relying on the resources from local governments and councils. What Phaeton is trying to do is to create the world's largest decentralised network. So we do not want to have these huge data centres that's consuming a lot of power. Well, the more nodes we have to market, the more secure the network is. Bitcoin has 20,000 nodes operating. Our goal for Phaeton is to have more nodes to market than any other blockchain technology company. I guess the difference between us and other blockchain technology companies is that a lot of other blockchains are working on building as many dApp applications onto their network. Phaeton's a little bit different. We're working on the back-end infrastructure. So we're building the infrastructure to support not only our blockchain, but also other blockchain technology companies. Our speed and security is far superior than what is out there to market. Our engineers are working overtime to deliver the results and the products that are soon to be released. Phaeton has designed and developed sidechain and smart contracts in the version 3 of our Phaeton blockchain. The sidechain was designed for businesses to adopt our network. We want small, medium, large companies to move off the cloud-based infrastructure and utilise blockchain to store data in a more decentralised environment. Instead of having Google and Amazon owning your data information, you'll be able to store that data. Sidechain is like a filing system, really. So when you store data in a separate filing system, there's only one person that has access to that filing system. So it reduces the congestion of that main network. Having multiple side chains, a business will be able to create multiple side chains for different departments to store information in a more secure way. We have an infinity level of the total amount of side chains that can be deployed, unlike our competitors. Other blockchains have limits on their scalability, where we have an infinity level of scalability to our network. I guess Starlink and Elon Musk will be one of the people that we would like to connect with, and Phaeton networks to be able to record information in a decentralized environment If we deploy these modular data centers across the world globally, Phaeton will be the strongest digital or technology company in the world.